Hello guys, so today we will discuss about lesson number 134 or lesson number 80, career exploration 1. Here exercise A, with your o'clock partner discuss if these are true or false. Means in this exercise you have to discuss these points. Means we will discuss these and these points, okay, and here we have to write my view and partner's view on that topic. Okay, so first one is the pay in government jobs is better than pay in private jobs. Means you have to discuss this statement or this point with your o'clock partner. Means the pay in government job means the pay in government jobs is better or not. Okay, so according to me the pay in government jobs is not better than private jobs. Okay, because in private jobs there are many high pay scales. Okay, just like if we talk about government jobs, in government jobs there are not we get more salary. Just like in government jobs we maximum we got 1 lakh 2 lakh, yeah, after promotion. But in if we talk about private job, in private job we got a higher pay scale, just like 5 lakhs 6 lakhs 7 lakh, or if we talk about packages then 20 lakh package. So private job is better than government jobs in pay scale. Okay, in pay. Now second point is government jobs are easier than private jobs. Yeah, we can say government jobs are easier than private jobs, but not compulsory, because if we can say that things we can say that sentence is correct if we talk about on the post, we talk about on the basis of post. Okay, because if we talk about in government job, someone is in constable post. Okay, and if we talk about private job, someone is in very higher in just like a manager, CEO. Okay, so CEO have not lots of work. Means he has work but not lots of work. Okay, not lots of stress. But constable have lots of work, because he has duty maximum 12 hours 15 hours sometimes, because you already saw every time constable is here and there move. Okay, when any leader came in city, and when any higher means officer IAS IPS came in city, so the work of constable is very high, means very stressful or very field work. But if we talk about IAS job or DSP job, so these jobs are very simple job, not very simple, but this job is easier than if we talk about any lower post of private job. Just like in private job, if we talk about delivery boy. Okay, so delivery boy is very tough job, because every time we don't know when order came, and we have to go that location, and we have to go that location. So we cannot compare, government jobs are easier than private jobs, because if we compare then both of them, so we can compare on the basis of post. Okay, if we talk about post, then this is easier, or if we talk about generally, so we can't say this. Okay, now same the last topic is government jobs are permanent but private jobs are temporary. In this sentence, this is also I think this is also not compulsory. Okay, because in government jobs, if we talk about government jobs, we once again we take example of any police officer. If any police officer is corrupt, and then he is a higher means he is higher officer or seniors suspend him or dismiss him, so that time this is not permanent. Okay, that time government jobs is not permanent, and in private jobs is this also sometimes not I'm talking about both. I'm talking about sometimes in both situation, in government jobs, in private jobs, both. Because in if we talk about private jobs, when we started private when we start private job, in firstly we have to sign one bound paper, just like I want to work in your office for 1 year 2 year, so we sign one bond paper. So if we can't compare government jobs are permanent and but private jobs are temporary. We can say we can say a maximum time, yeah, it's happen is it's happen government jobs is permanent but private job are temporary, but not necessary or not compulsory, okay. Because both if we talk about any situation, so both are differ, okay. Now there is exercise B. We have to talk about on this topic. Read the following and discuss the questions with your partners. There are some questions in this side, and in this side there are sorry, in this exercise there are some paragraph or some statement. No, there are some paragraph or there are something written. You have to read, and after reading you have to give the answer of these questions. Just like first one is, what does an app designer do? Means the work of app designer, I think the work of app designer is designing of app or take care of colors, fonts, design, or means totally what is the design of app. Means app means application, okay. If you not understand app means application. Now second is, how does one become an app designer? Means this question is how to become a app designer. This question is how to become a app designer. If we talk about how to become a app designer, I think firstly you have to knowledge of any technical knowledge. Just like if we firstly you have to pass your 12th class, and after that you have get a degree, means btech degree, and btech in computer science or any technical knowledge, then you can you become a app designer, okay. Now next question is, what does a sports journalist do? Sports journalist, I think sports journalist, journalist means we know that journalist means the work of journalist is collects or collect the news from everywhere, and show that news in television or write that news in newspaper, okay. So sports journalist means sports journalist work on sports, means all sports news. Sports journalist collects all sports news, okay. So now second question is, what does one become a sports journalist? Means there here same question, how to become a sports journalist. Means how to become a sports journalist, same as first you have one you have any degree, okay. You have any degree of graduation, then you become a sports journalist, okay. Now in this side you have to read, okay. I am not reading these things, because if I read these paragraphs, so the video is getting more longer, okay. So that's why I'm solving the questions, because question is important, this is not important. Means this is not important for me, but this is important for you, because in this just like if we talk about this Mehvis Mustaq, just a minute, yeah. Mehvis Mustaq from Kashmir become a successful app designer. Means in this paragraph, this is talk about app designing. So that's why in this side he asked a question from app designing, okay, of app designer. Now next is, what qualities are needed to become a professional sports person? Means so firstly you have you have a degree, because no this is not compulsory you have a degree. I think this is not compulsory you have degree. Means you have I think I have not lots of knowledge on that thing, because no one have knowledge for everything, because in this world there are lots of job or lots of work. So how everyone knows the how to become that job, how to get that job, how to get that thing. So no one have all answer. So that's why I have not lots of knowledge about this. So but I tried, because what qualities are needed, just like if we talk about cricketer. So cricketer means you have firstly you have to play under 12, under 16, under 18, under 19, under 19. Then you go on IPL. Yeah, now from IPL you have you got chance to play in international team. So you quality, if we talk about qualities, you have a better, means in that time, that time you got you are better in that things. If you want to become a cricketer, then your batting is so good, or your bowling is so good. Okay, so these qualities are needed to become a professional sports person. I am talking about only cricketer, but you just like a football, hockey, there are lots of sports. Okay, so now next one is, what position in the police department are open for the youth? We know that there are many departments are open for youth, just like a constable. Yeah, constable, SI, and SI means sub inspector. Now DSP means director. Director of sub inspector. No, no, no. Director of superintendent of police. Yeah. Now DSP, and after that I think UPPCS. Yeah, from UPPCS, UPPCS, or any state PCS. Okay. So from PCS job you got SDM job. Yeah, SDM job. And after that if we talk about higher, now UPSC, we all know that UPSC from UPSC we got IAS job or IPS job. Okay, and yeah, these are jobs, these departments are open for youth. Okay, in the police, in police department these positions are open. Now next question is, how does one join the police force? I already told you how to join. Means you have to give SSC examination, PCS examination, state PCS examination, UPSC examination. Then you got police officer job. Okay. Now, next is this something that you would be interested in? Now, is this something, means the is something, if we take just like if we talk about someone wants to become a cricketer. Okay, now now you are interested in that things. Okay, now I am really interested in that thing, I want to become a cricketer, otherwise I will not do anything. So is this something that you would be interested in? So this question is for you. Okay, now next question is, how does one become a private detective? Now for private detective, you have any degree from college. Now you have any diploma. Now after completing graduation, you have to do one thing. You have join a course. Okay, private, you have joined a detective course in government or private, anyone. Okay, so after completing the course, you can become a private detective. Okay, now who would be interested in becoming a mountaineer? Means the person who are interested in the person who are interested in mountains, simply they are interested in becoming a mountaineer. Okay, now how does one become a mountaineer? Means how to become a mountaineer, I think if you want to become a mountaineer, you have to after graduation you have to do a course for mountaineer. This course is only for 28 days. There are 5 6 courses. If you saw, there are 5 to 6 courses for mountaineer. Some courses have 28 days and some courses have 21, no, 15 days to 21 days. Okay, some course have. So from that course you can become a mountaineer. Now, question number first is, what do you think about the information given above? So what do you think about information given above? Means what was that given about? Means you can simply say these information about someone's life, and these in we read these life's moments, and after that, after reading these, there are some question we have to give the answer of that question. So these from you this question is, I think if you do that this question from you, because this question and this question is mainly for you, because I already told you about all things about on the in the exercise B. There are nothing to there are nothing left for told you. Okay, so everything I told you, what is this, what is this. Okay, now you have to give that answer, but this is already I told you. Now question number second is, do you have any questions after reading the information given above? So do you have, if you have any question, then you can write here. Just like if we talk about any question, the I think you ask, sir, with your facilitator, sir or ma'am, sir, why only these six questions, or why only these six topics are given here? Because there are many things in all over world, but why only particular these things are given here? Why there is not any businessman, and why there is not any Bollywood actors? So you can ask this question. Okay, so and thank you so much. Lesson number 134 is completed. If you have any doubt, then you can ask